So I very nearly did a live then showing what's in here. So if you haven't seen it, just return back and have a look at the live I did last week. Anyhow, this has been delivered. I didn't expect it to be in that. Let me get something to put that in. Right. Well, I hope it's okay. This isn't the best way to package things. It's sort of going everywhere. That's what I'm after. Oh, let me get something to put the phone in. Right, here it is. Now then, this little beauty has been, I've spotted 2 or 3 of these over the years, and I've never been lucky enough to get one. They are pretty rare. All my life, and it's dinky. It's much smaller than I thought it was going to be. Good grief. Okay, so they normally go for about, I've seen these go for about £90. I can't get into it. I'm being careful. You'll see why I'm being careful in a sec. And I could edit all this out, but sorry. We're on this journey together. Are you ready for this? Oh, my life. Oh, my life. It's beautiful. You push the button. It's an oiler. Sorry, I'm sort of speechless. It's an oiler. Oh my life, how beautiful. Yes, it's Edward Preston. You know I collect Edward Preston things. Oh, it is so sweet. Oh, it is. Oh, it is the most beautiful. Oh. What do you think of that? Look at that for a mark. Look how brilliant, look how well that has been stamped out, pressed out, and how beautiful it looks. There's something there. Wow. I'm speechless. I'm absolutely speechless. That is fantastic. Oh, there you go. So this is, it's an oiler, a conical oiler. No fancy mechanism, which is a shame. Some of them did have like a spring mechanism. No, this is just, you tip it over and you might press the bottom or not, but it's that's an oiler like this can be 10 quid, but that makes such a lot of difference. I'm almost speechless. What do you think? Tell me in the comments what you think. I mean, I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. And I will be looking to see if there's any paint residue left on it, because if I find out that this was supposed to be green or red, then we could have a restoration job on our hands. I'm a bit disappointed that there's some of the solder is round here. but it's only to be expected. If it would have been painted, I will find some, possibly in this knurling here, possibly round here. We'll see what we can find. I'll get under a microscope. But that's fabulous. That is absolutely fabulous. If you're into any tools, especially Birmingham and Preston, you need one of these. This is the Preston catalogue, May 1909, a Struggle press. I can't even say it properly, but there's some great bits in here. Great information. It's just fantastic. And there we have it. There's the little oiler, the little oil can. Small, so it's the 1804 small brass bottom, which is correct, with extra large filler. 7 shillings and 6pence per dozen. 7 shillings. So that's 35 pence. 35 pence. But look at that little mark there on there. It's just... So yeah, it's good to see it. So this is from 1909. So yeah, this thing's beautiful and getting older, which is great. And it'll be used soon. Thanks for watching. Thumbnail. I think that's my thumbnail.